Okay, one other thing I want to go over is now it's time for a little troubleshooting as we try to hook up our sensor bar. I'm noticing that this hub is not reading. I don't know if you can get a good view on that. Let's see. Okay, this hub is not reading. It's connecting, but it's not reading. It says high power supply system USB 3.0 hub. This one here, I do not suggest you get for compatibility with the Xbox One. As you see, connected and no connection. You're not getting any readings off in this hub. So make sure you get a good USB hub. Now with this one here, this here is it just says USB 3.0 gaming hub, model ONB14MG207. Now when we connect it to this one, and the reason we test the hub was because I connected directly to the computer and I was able to get a reading. So now we're going to connect this here hub. Let's see. And there you see it lights up. So make sure you have a good, if you use the hub, make sure you have a hub. Like we said, we connected directly to the laptop and the light came on. Make sure you have a compatible hub whenever you're using a USB hub. Okay, heads up on the X1 sensor bar. Like I was saying earlier, using the hub, the 4-point hub, the markings on it is 3.0. One fired up and the other one didn't. However, whenever we try to connect using that hub, neither one of them seems to be compatible as far as running it. It would start it up from time to time, but I find that it's best to go ahead, if you have one with 2 ports, to go ahead and connect it to the computer directly, and that's giving me a better connection. I can hear my voice coming through the it's got a lot of feed. I hear my voice coming through the speakers, and it just seems to work much better directly connected. Now this here is a view directly connected. I'm going to shut it down and we're going to come back with it connected through the hub that I thought was a good one. Okay, that's shut down. Now I'm going to connect this hub. Although the hub is not working for the sensor bar, I have cameras, web cameras that I want to hook up to it, so I will be using those along with the hub. Now this here is going to be running it with the hub connected. If someone's trying this hookup and you're running the hub, let me know what kind you're using, because I would like to run this through the hub and other devices, but right now it just don't seem to be working with it. And see, it's showing connected, but it's not coming through the hub. So like I said, every now and again it would light up. When I first connected it to the hub, it lit up, but now it's not even responding. And as well, I'm getting the message that the USB controller is not recognized. It's not running through this hub now. I'm going to restart it once again and connect it directly to the computer. Shut it down. We'll leave the hub connected on that side, and we're going to connect sensor bar on this side. I will, however, this here is a USB. That's an up connection. No, that's a down connection, I believe it is. I'm going to get an up connection so that it will not stick out so far on the end. And see how wobbly? That's what happens when you plug it into the hub. The weight will pour down on it. So I'm going to strap it so to stay straight, but I'm going to get one of the elbows, USB elbows, to put up there so it won't be out so far. Alright, so now we're going to start it back up. It's not lit. It's not showing connected. I'm going to go in and connect. The joy of troubleshooting. Okay, now we got it connected directly to the computer. We took the hub, took it off the hub, and let's see. Too many windows. And it pops up